Breaking news, guys. When Yose Power say that the sensor in their kit, the pass sensor, pedal assist sensor, doesn't fit Hollowtech II type cranksets, they're not joking. So just to repeat, the sensor you get in the kit won't fit Hollowtech type cranksets like this one. This is a pinch bolt Hollowtech II type. The good news is that you can order the correct type on their website, the Yose Power website. The bad news is you'll need to pay for it, and also the cheapest is from China, and that'll take about 3 weeks to get here. And also, rather than being on this side, you're going to have to fit it in that side, which I'm guessing is going to be a bit more hassly. Here's the info I've got on it. So I think on their website it's £20 for the UK, and that's from UK storage. But it seems that they've got an eBay store, and it's £13.80 there. So best to buy it from the eBay store, I would think. And that's called YS Battery UK. But I mean, I think that's them. I don't think I didn't actually check, but they're using the Yose Fit photos for the sensor. So it's a right side sensor you're wanting for Hollowtech II, and you can get it on their website for £20. I've seen it in Amazon. It must be their store in Amazon. £23.50. I don't know whether there'll be any third party sellers. That was the cheapest I could see it on eBay. £13.80 from YS Battery UK. I mean, the one that comes with the kit, this is that one, this one here. That's £16 on their website, I think. Or that might be eBay. I don't know. I think maybe on eBay they were selling it for £13 or something. I can't remember. But so I suppose you could sell this, you know, but then you've got all the hassle of packaging it. I mean, I wouldn't send that in an envelope because of the shape here, you know, in case it bends or breaks or whatever. So I'd probably have to go as a parcel. So that'd be like £2.80 already. Then you've got your fees. So, and remember, I don't know if you can buy third party ones, but the Yose Power ones have got this sort of connector. I don't know what they're called. Are they called? They said like WO connector on their website, but I don't know if they're talking about what I think they're talking about. I want to know if it's a round connector, because you can get sensors that are under £10, but they've got a sort of rectangle shape here. So even though I think this is £3, it's a round shape though. So this sensor would fit here for most people, but not if you get Hollowtech or Octalink apparently. I never thought I had Hollowtech. I mean, I didn't know what it was, Hollowtech II, but apparently this is a pinch bolt type, because there's two bolts there that pinch in there. So that's how you can tell if you get one type of Hollowtech II. I think the other type, you can't tell, it's not got that. I don't know whether it just means it's sealed or something, I don't know. I mean, Hollowtech II, I think it's a two-part crankset. I don't know how many it's usually that. But this type, the pinch bolt type, that's a definite sign. And for this, you're going to need to buy a specialist tool as well to get that cap off, screw cap. You're going to have to get the Shimano TLFC16 type thing. It's this, basically, the shape. So you can get in there and unscrew that. And you don't use much force, but first of all you loosen these two bolts, because they're pinch bolts, and there's a plate in there as well. So you would loosen those two bolts, then you would use that, take this screw cap off here, and I think you would bring the plate bolt out. But in my case, because of this sensor, I'm going to have to take the whole thing off. Well, on the other side as well. So I'd take the chain off. I'm hoping I can then just sort of push it right out but I don't know. But that's where the sensor will go. Over on the other side, it's a real nuisance. I know that switch bikes still use clip-on ones, and really for me, I think they should be using clip-on until they come up with something better. Because for most people, this is probably the difficult part of fitting a bike, or the most difficult part. It's not really that difficult if you've just got a clip-on one. But with this, I'm having quite a few problems. First it's a 10mm axle on this, and my fork is 9mm. So I had to file a millimetre off to get the axle to fit. My battery won't fit the right way because it's too far down. But I should be able to fit it the wrong way around. I've seen somebody else do that. But another thing you can do is you can get a sort of plate from the Yose Power website or their eBay store, which pushes it. You can push it up, so it's a sort of bracket adjuster, so you can go further up. And with that, I'll be able to maybe put it a bit there, you know, something over there. But that's more money, you know. I think that's about £20 or something. Actually, it's £9.40, I think. And now I've got the Hollowtech II problem as well. So with so this is definitely a Hollowtech with the pinch bolts there. You would think when you're buying they would give you the option to get the Hollowtech sensor, you know, because the one they've sent me is no use to me really. They do mention on the website, but whoever's wrote that on the UK website, it looks to me as if it's maybe someone that Chinese is their first language, because it doesn't make things clear. I mean, I don't remember having any option to, but I wouldn't have known anyway, because I just presumed that Hollowtech II was a thing for expensive bikes. I thought it was expensive technology, but apparently Hollowtech II has been around for 20 years. And this is a Sora, Shimano Sora. So that's quite near the bottom of the range of road bikes. And it's got it. So definitely there's a good chance you might have Hollowtech II in your bike. I noticed on the eBay site, you know, a lot of people have bought the Hollowtech II sensor, so there's quite a few people having this problem. So if you get a Hollowtech II crankset, you're going to have to buy your own sensor, your own pedal assist sensor. You're going to have to fit it on that side rather than on this side, which everyone else will do. And if you've got one like this, you're going to have to either buy this or hope you've got it in a toolkit or whatever. This specialist, it only costs about £3 or £4 or £5 this, but it's another cost, isn't it? Yeah, you can get the sensor, the Hollowtech II sensor, on their website for £20 from the UK storage. You can get it on their website for £15 from China if you want. I'm getting it from China for £13.80. I was just trying to keep costs down now, but I've got 3 or 4 weeks to wait now, and I got it from YS Battery UK, which I presume is them, although it didn't actually say so, but maybe it did, I don't know. So that's my latest news. Just think, for people that everything goes right, it probably takes 30 minutes to an hour, and that's them, they're all set up. Whereas this is me, like, I don't know, I've got weeks to wait now. I've been filing my bike, I had to buy a file. I don't know, I'm depressed. Hollowtech isn't just this design, but if you've got this, it's definitely Hollowtech II, the pinch bolts. But they do all sorts of other Hollowtech II, so, you know, they may look quite, they don't need specialist tools for the other ones, you know, so even if you get that far, if it turns out to be a Hollowtech II, you're going to have to get a sensor that you can put on the other side. Alright guys, it's all over. Goodbye.